The Atlas Mountains extend through Morocco, Algeria and Tunisia in a series of separate ranges that continue for about 2,400 kilometers. Within Morocco, they are divided north to south into the Middle Atlas, High Atlas and Anti-Atlas, rising at the Atlantic coast and stretching east to Algeria. These mountains were formed millions of years ago when the tectonic plate of Europe and Africa collided, causing uplift. The Atlas Mountains separate the more moderate, Mediterranean climate to the north from the drier, harsher, Saharan climate of the south. Atlas has several passes that provide routes between the coast and the Sahara Desert. Two dynamic passes, the Tizi Test and Tizi Antichka, have been carved through these peaks, both affording spectacular views from their narrow, hairpin bends. The High Atlas is snow-covered in winter and the skiing at Camden is thought to be the best in the country. Toubkal, located in Morocco, is the highest peak in the range, and in North Africa. It is 4,167 meters, 13,671 feet high. Most of the populations around the Atlas are small villages, rather than cities. The most famous and numerous of the Atlas populations is the Berber people, a North African culture which traces its roots back thousands of years. The mountains are home to a number of plants and animal species unique in Africa, often more like those of Europe. Many of them are endangered and some have already gone extinct. The North African elephant was an inhabitant of the Atlas Mountains until becoming extinct in ancient Roman times. The mountains were home to the Atlas bear, which is now extinct. It was the only bear native to Africa. It was hunted extensively. It is believed the last one was killed or died in the late 1800s. The Barbary lion, also known as the Atlas lion, is an African lion subspecies, formerly native to North Africa, including the Atlas Mountains, that is now considered extinct in the wild. Other animals that inhabit the Atlas Mountains include Barbary sheep, Cuvier's gazelle, Barbary macaque, Barbary stag, Atlas mountain viper, and the Atlas mountain badger. The Atlas is rich in natural resources. There are deposits of iron ore, lead ore, copper, silver, mercury, rock salt, phosphate, marble, anthracite coal and natural gas, among other resources.